everyone, welcome to Competitive Square Online Classes Barampur. In this video, I will do the current affairs of best MCQ of July second week. Let's start the first question. Which bank has decided to offer ZIP drive, that is instant loans to customer in 1000 city across India? That bank is HDFC Bank, Housing Development Financial Corporation, established on 1994. Headquarter is at Mumbai. MD Aditya Puri. What is the tagline of HDFC? We understand your world. We understand your world. We understand your world is the tagline. Clear? HDFC Bank 1994. MD Aditya Puri. We understand your world is the tagline. HDFC Bank recently launched one application, that is e-Kisan Dhan application. e-Kisan Dhan application. Remember also one song, that is हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, launched by हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, launched by HDFC Bank, composed by A.R. Rahman. Similarly, listen carefully, that is summer treat campaign, summer treats campaign, and safety grid campaign, summer treat campaign and safety grid campaign also launched by HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank acquired 6.43% stake from Reliance. He acquired 6.43% stake, but he sold 1.01% stake to China's central bank. Remember, again I will repeat, China's central bank. HDFC Bank recently launched a ZIP drive, e-Kisan Dhan application, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, summer treat campaign, safety grid campaign. e-Kisan Dhan application, हम हार नहीं मानेंगे, summer treat campaign, safety grid campaign. HDFC Bank established in 1994. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Aditya Puri is the MD. We understand your world is the tagline. HDFC Bank acquired 6.43 stake from Reliance and sold 1.01% to China Central Bank. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu, whose tenure has been extended, is the chairman of which organization? That organization is NHAI, National Highway Authority of India. Extended means in how many months? 6 months. Extended 6 months. 6 months extended the chairmanship term. Remember, who is the present chairman of Competition Commission of India? Competition Commission of India chairman is Ashok Gupta. Ashok Kumar Gupta is the present chairman of CCI, and CIC, Central Information Commission chairman is Bimal Julka. Also remember, Airport Authority of India chairman is Arvind Singh. Again I will repeat, Sukhbir Singh's tenure has been extended 6 months. He is the chairman of National Highway Authority of India, NHAI. Competition Commission of India chairman is Ashok Gupta. Central Information Commission chairman is Bimal Julka. Airport Authority of India chairman Arvind Singh. Name the former world #1 badminton player and 2 times Olympic badminton champion from China. 2-time Olympic badminton champion from China, who has announced his retirement from the sport. Who is that player's name? He is from China. Also 2 times Olympic badminton champion. That player name is Lin Dan. Question will ask. Lin Dan retired his sports. He is related to which field, which sports? That is badminton. He is the famous player of badminton. Here he is from China. Next, who is the one more question? Who is the brand ambassador of India to China? That is Vikram Misri is the chairman of India to China. Sorry, brand ambassador, not chairman, ambassador. India's ambassador to China. That is Vikram Misri. Next question. Which state recently started Intezar Aapka campaign? in order to attract tourist, one state started, that is Intezar Aapka campaign. Which state? That state is Madhya Pradesh. Who is the present CM? Present CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Governor is Lalaji Tandon. State would day 1st November 1956 is the state would day. Lok Sabha seat is 29. Rajya Sabha seat is 11. Clear? Madhya Pradesh capital Bhopal. Madhya Pradesh also government also started Mukhyamantri Swasthya Bima Yojana. Mukhyamantri स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, जीवन अमृत, here he distributed Trikurchan. जीवन शक्ति, here the government will brought, that is mask जीवन शक्ति, and FIR आपके द्वार, lot of things. FIR आपके द्वार, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, संबल योजना, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, संबल योजना, क्लियर. चरण पादुका किल कोरोना कैंपेन, संजीवनी व्हीकल, दैट मच only. Again I will repeat, which state government started Intezar Aapka campaign? That is Madhya Pradesh. Capital is Bhopal. 1st November 1956 is the statehood day. Lok Sabha seat 29. Rajya Sabha seat is 11. Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the chief minister. Governor Lalaji Tandon. He started Intezar Aapka campaign. जीवन शक्ति, जीवन अमृत, मुख्यमंत्री स्वास्थ्य बीमा योजना, FIR आपके द्वार, संबल योजना, हमारा घर हमारा विद्यालय, किल कोरोना कैंपेन, संजीवनी व्हीकल, संबल योजना, चरण पादुका. Clear? Next, CBSE Central Board for Secondary Education has partnered with which company to launch a free and comprehensive program for teachers and students? CBSE has partnered with which company to start free and comprehensive program for teachers and students? That company is Facebook. Clear? That company is Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg. CBSE, full form Central Board Secondary Education, headquarters is New Delhi. CBSE headquarters is New Delhi. Established on 1962. Who is the present chairman of CBSE? That is Manoj Ahuja. Manoj Ahuja is the present chairman of CBSE. Remember one more question. Facebook acquired recently 9.99% stake. Facebook acquired 9.99% stake from Jio. Facebook acquired 9.99% stake from Jio. Facebook recently started two campaign, that is More Together campaign, and We Think Digital campaign. Clear? We started also one initiative, that is Goal Initiative for tribal people. Also launched one cryptocurrency, that is Libra, that is cryptocurrency. He launched a cryptocurrency Libra, and the group video call application, that is Messenger Rooms, group video call application. Again I repeat, CBSE partnered with Facebook to launch a free and comprehensive program for teachers and students. CBSE established on 1962. Headquarters is at New Delhi. Manoj Ahuja is the chairman. Facebook founder is Mark Zuckerberg. He started two campaigns, More Together campaign, We Think Digital campaign. He acquired 99% stake from Jio and launched a cryptocurrency, that is Libra. Also started one initiative, that is Goal Initiative for tribal people, and also launched one application, that is Messenger Rooms. Clear? Who is the author of the book titled Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? Who is the author of this book? The book is Urjit Patel. He is the former governor of RBI. Clear? Former governor of RBI. Next, who won the Diana Award 2020? That is Frank Thakral. Diana Award. Who gives this award and why this award given? The Diana Award given by UK government. United Kingdom gives this award because the Diana is the princess of UK. So UK government gives this award in the field of social work and humanitarian effort by youngsters. Social work and humanitarian effort by efforts by youngsters. Social work and humanitarian effort by youngsters in this field. UK government will give was given the Diana award. Who will receive the Diana award? Who is she? She is Prag Thakral. Also remember, UK, United Kingdom gives one more award, that is Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Commonwealth Short Story Prize. Who received this award? This award goes to Kritika Pandey. Kritika Pandey for his book What? The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. For his book The Great Indian Tea and Snacks. Next question. Which color dustbin has been introduced by Indore Municipality Corporation for corona infected material? To take a corona infected material, he introduced one special color dustbin. That color is yellow. Which municipality corporation? That is Indore Municipality Corporation. Again, very important. Indore is the first city to use drone sanitizer. Remember, Indore. Very important question. Indore is the first city, India's first city to use drone sanitizer. Drone sanitizer. Very important question. Which city recently started drone sanitizing? That is Indore. Clear? One more question. IRCTC, Indian Railway Catering Tourism Corporation recently started third private train that is from Indore to Varanasi. That is from Indore to Varanasi. Clear? Next. Which state government has announced a monthly stipend of 3,000 rupees to junior lawyers for how many years? 2 years. Overcome financial difficulties. Which state government has announced a monthly stipend of 3,000 only to junior lawyers for 2 years? That is state is Tamil Nadu. State is Tamil Nadu. Remember, Tamil Nadu is the number one fish producer. Number one fish producer state. Here, Tamil Nadu, number one fish producer state. Here, also remember, Tamil Nadu government recently that government retirement age extended 1 year. That is 58 to 59. 58 to 59. 1 year extended the government employment retirement age. Tamil Nadu government recently extended the government employment retirement age 58 to 59. Clear? Next. World UFO Day is observed every year on which date? UFO Day means unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object. Unidentified flying object. UFO Day is celebrated on 2nd July. Also remember, 2nd July we will celebrate International Sports Journalist Day. Sports Journalist Day. Sports Journalist Day is on 2nd July. Remember, 1st July, Doctors Day, National Doctors Day. National Doctors Day, Chartered Account Day, National Chartered Account Day, National Chartered Account Day, GST Day, and one more, that is National Postal Worker Day, National Postal Workers Day, not Post Day, that is Postal Workers Day, 1st July. 2nd July, UFO Day, Sports Journalist Day. 4th July, International Cooperatives Day, International Cooperatives Day, International Cooperatives Day. 7th July is Chocolate Day, Chocolate Day. 10th July, Fish Farmers Day, Fish Farmers Day. 11th July, Wild Population Day, Wild Population Day, Wild Population Day. Clear? Again I repeat. World Youth Day, 2nd July, also Sports Journalist Day. 1st July, National Doctors Day, Chartered Account Day, GST Day, National Postal Workers Day. 4th July, International Cooperatives Day. 7th July, Chocolate Day. 10th July, Fish Farmer Day. 11th July, Wild Population Day. Next question. What is the India's rank in Sustainable Development Goal Index 100 index in 2020? What is the India's rank in Sustainable Development Goal Index? That is 170. Who is the top country? The top country is Sweden. Remember, top country is Sweden. Again I repeat. In Sustainable Development Goal Index, what is the India's rank? India's rank is 117. Top country is Sweden. Henley Passport Index. Henley Passport Index. Henley Passport Index. India's rank is 84. Top country Japan. Henley Passport Index 2020. India's rank is 84. Top country is Japan. Gender Gap Index. Gender Gap Index. India's rank is 112. Top country Iceland. Not Ireland. It is different. It is Iceland. Clear? Global Climate Risk Index. Global Climate Risk Index, that is India's rank is 9. Top country Sweden. Remember, Press Freedom Index. Press Freedom Index, that is 142. Top country Norway. Again one more, World Energy Transaction Index. World Energy Transaction Index. On Energy Transaction Index, India's rank is 74. Top country Sweden. Again I will repeat. What is the India's rank in Sustainable Development Goal Index? That is 170. Top country is Sweden. Henley Passport Index, India's rank is almost. India's rank is 84. Top country Japan. And Gender Gap Index, India's rank is 112. Top country is Iceland. Global Climate Risk Index, India's rank is 9. Top country is Sweden. Press Freedom Index, India's rank is 142. Top country Norway. World Energy Transaction Index, India's rank is 74. Top country is Sweden. Next question. Union government has sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees under Atmanirbhar program launched by Prime Minister Modi to improve infrastructure for the food parks in which state? Union government sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees to which state for developing food parks in this state? The state is Karnataka. The state is Karnataka. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. B.S. Yediyurappa. Who is the governor? Vajubhai Bhula. Vajubhai Bhula, the present governor of Karnataka. Capital Bangalore, which is known as electronic seat of India. Lok Sabha seat is 28. Rajya Sabha seat is 13. Clear? Which state government? Sorry, Union government sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees to developing the food parks. In which state? The state is Karnataka. Clear? Karnataka. Remember, India's first butterfly park. First butterfly park, that is at Karnataka. Which national park? Bannerghatta National Park. Remember, India's first butterfly park, Bannerghatta National Park. Bannerghatta National Park, Karnataka. India's first lichen park, that is Munsiari. Where is it? It is at Uttarakhand. Munsiari, Uttarakhand. Monkey Park, Shimoga is at Karnataka. Shimoga, 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 Karnataka. First space technology park, Thiruvananthapuram. First space technology park, Thiruvananthapuram. Who is the present food processing industry ministry? That is Minister Harshmeet Kaur Badal is the present food processing industry ministry. Again, I will repeat. Union government sanctioned 4,000 crore rupees under the Atmanirbhar program to Karnataka for developing the infrastructure for the food parks India's first butterfly at Bannerghatta National Park, first lichen park at Munsiari, first monkey park at Shimoga, Karnataka. Lok Sabha 28, Rajya Sabha is 30. B.S. Yediyurappa is the Chief Minister, Vajubhai Vala is the Governor. Harshmeet Kaur Badal is the present Minister of Food Processing Industry. The All India Radio broadcasted its first ever news magazine program in which language? That language is Sanskrit. That magazine name is Sanskrit Saptahiki. That magazine name is Sanskrit Saptahiki. Sanskrit is the classical language. There is 6 classical languages. What is this? Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Odia, Sanskrit, Kannada. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Odia, Sanskrit, Kannada. There is 6 classical languages. Clear? All India Radio recently started one magazine. That magazine is Sanskrit. This magazine name is Sanskrit Saptahiki. Clear? World Radio Day 2020 celebrated on World Radio Day 2020 was at February 13 in this year. This theme is radio and broadcasting. Radio theme is radio and broadcasting. Radio and broadcasting is the theme of World Radio Day 2020. IRDAI has set up a committee under whose chairmanship to examine surety bond for road contract. IRDAI, full form is Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, set up a committee under whose chairmanship to examine surety bond of road contracts. To examine the road contracts, IRDAI set up a committee. That's committee headed by G. Srinivasan, option A. G. Srinivasan. IRDAI means Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. Headquarters is at Hyderabad. Who is the head of IRDAI? Chairman is Subhash Chandra Khuntia. Clear? Next. Element is the first social media super application of which country? Element is the first social media application, that is India, launched by Venkaiah Naidu. Clear? Next. Which state government recently launched Mahajapa portal for unemployed local youth? That state started Mahajapa portal. Which state? That is Maharashtra. Mahajapa also started Mahaparvana scheme. Project Platina. Remember Mahaparvana, Project Platina. Platina Shivbhoj, very important, Shivbhoj project Platina Shivbhoj Maharashtra. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, Governor is Bhagat Singh Koshiyari, Lok Sabha seat 48, Rajya Sabha seat is 36, Rajya Sabha seat is 19, district 36, Rajya Sabha seat is 19, Lok Sabha 48. Laban is the famous dance, Ganesh Puja is the famous festival, and recently Chhatrapati Aurangabad airport renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Airport, and Mumbai Central renamed as Nana Shankar Chaitanya Terminal. Clear? Aurangabad airport renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Airport. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Airport. Sambhaji Airport. Which airport renamed? That is Aurangabad. Aurangabad airport renamed as Chhatrapati Sambhaji Airport. Clear? Who ranked number 1 in the 52 kg weight class according to the latest world ranking released by AIBA, International Boxing Association. AIBA, International Boxing Association. In 52 weight class, who is the number 1 player? That is Amit Fogel. That is Amit Fogel from Haryana. Amit Fogel from Haryana is the number 1 player. AIBA formation year 1946. Who is the head? Head is Ghaffar Rakhimov is the headquarter Lausanne. Headquarter is at Lausanne, Switzerland. Again I repeat, AIBA headquarter is at Lausanne, Switzerland. Formation year 1946. President is Ghaffar Rakhimov. AIBA released a world ranking of boxing player. That top player is Amit Fogel in 52 kg weight class category. Which bank has announced to launch a loan in second instant loan disbursement facility? Which state started loan in second scheme? Which bank started loan in second scheme? That bank is Yes Bank. Experience our expertise is the tagline. 2004 is the establishment year. Sunil Mehta is the present chairman. Headquarter is at Mumbai. Sunil Mehta is the present chairman. Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO. Again I repeat, loan in second started by Yes Bank. Establishment year 2004. Sunil Mehta is the present chairman. Prashant Kumar is the MD and CEO. Next, what longest railway platform with a dimension of 1400 meters and 10 meter width means that is it width. That width is 10 meter and long, that is dimension 1400 meter. That dimension, that is width. Meters width is being built at which railway station? Being built, not now. Construction is going on. That railway station is Hubali. But now the longest platform is Gorakhpur. UP. Longest platform is Gorakhpur, UP. This is not India's longest platform as well as world's longest platform. It is also world's longest railway platform. Next, who has been appointed as the first chairman of International Financial Service Center Authority? IFSCA. Who is the chairman of IFSCA? That is N.G. Srinivas. N.G. Srinivas is the former secretary of Cooperative Affairs. Former Cooperative Affairs Secretary. N.G. Srinivas becomes the first chairman of International Financial Service Center Authority. Who is the present foreign secretary? H.B. Sringla is the first foreign secretary. Present foreign secretary. Who is the present economic secretary? Tarun Bajaj is the present economic secretary. Tarun Bajaj economic. H.B. Sringla foreign. Also remember Ajay Kumar defense. Ajay Kumar is the present defense secretary, and Ajay Kumar Bhalla is the present home secretary. Ajay Kumar is the present defense secretary. Ajay Kumar Bhalla is the home secretary. Next question. Which state has recently launched a new application called Self-Scan? That state is West Bengal. Self-Scan. It is same function as CAM scanner. The same function as CAM scan. CAM scan. That is a Chinese application. India government banned. So that state started Self-Scan application. Which state? That is West Bengal. Capital is Kolkata. Lok Sabha seat is 42. Rajya Sabha seat is 16. Total district 23. Capital is Kolkata. Kolkata located in the river bank of Hooghly. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. Governor is Jagdeep Dhankar. And Chief Justice, very important, Chief Justice T.B. Radhakrishnan. T.B. Radhakrishnan. The present Chief Justice, Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, also launched exit application. Snehor Poros Prochesta. Remember, West Bengal is the #1 producer of vegetable. West Bengal is the #1 producer of vegetable. #1 producer of vegetable. With the #1 producer of fish, Tamil Nadu. Fish. Vegetable, West Bengal. Fruit, #1 producer of fruit, Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh is the #1 producer of fruit. Clear? Remember, Damodar Valley project also started by West Bengal. Damodar Valley project also started by West Bengal. Damodar, which is known as Sorrow of Bengal. Next, which of the following Indian state has become the first state in the country where all households have LPG connection? Where all households get LPG connection, liquefied petroleum gas connection. All households under Ujjwala Yojana. Under Ujjwala Yojana, which under Ujjwala Yojana, which Indian state has become the first state to the country where all households get LPG connection? The state is what? Himachal Pradesh. Capital is Shimla, which is known as Apple City of India. Joram Thakur is the CM. Bandaru Dattatreya is the governor. Lok Sabha seat is 4. Rajya Sabha seat is 3. Remember, started Panchavati Yojana, where he built park for senior citizens. Also started Gati Portal, Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana, Sahari Rozgar Guarantee Yojana. Again, I repeat, which state is the first state in the country where all householders have LPG connection? That is Himachal Pradesh. Capital Shimla. Joram Thakur is the Chief Minister. Bandaru Dattatreya Governor. Lok Sabha seat 4. Rajya Sabha seat is 3. He started Panchavati Yojana, Gati Portal, Sahari Rozgar Yojana. Clear? Next. Which Indian state launched a mobile van, that is Dhanvantari Rath, providing essential healthcare service to the people? Dhanvantari Rath, which state government started? The state is Gujarat. Capital Gandhinagar. Is the constituency of Amit Shah. Governor Vijay Rupani. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani. Acharya Devavrat is the governor. He also started Savani project. Very important. Savani project. Which state government is started Savani project? One more. In India, according to FSSAI, Food Safety Standard Authority of India, in Food Safety Index, Gujarat is the top. Gujarat is the top state. Lok Sabha seat 26, Rajya Sabha seat is 11. Lok Sabha 26, Rajya Sabha is 11. Chief Minister Vijay Rupani, Governor is Acharya Devavrat. Remember, Gujarat police, India's first police, who use teaser gun, who use teaser gun, who use teaser gun. Clear? He also stated Saurashtra Narmada Avatarana scheme. Saurashtra Narmada Avatarana scheme. Name the racer who won the Austrian Grand Prix 2020 held at Red Bull Ring in Spielberg, Austria. In Austrian Grand Prix 2020 held. Who won this Grand Prix? That is Valtteri Bottas. He is from Finland. He is from Finland. Finland capital is Helsinki. Finland, Helsinki, currency euro. Clear? Australia, conducted by Australia, winner Valtteri Bottas. He is the driver of Mercedes. He is the driver of Mercedes. Clear? Next. Name the person who authored a book titled Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India. Who is the author of this book? That book is R.C. Bhargava. He is the present chairman of Maruti Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki. He is the present chairman of Maruti Suzuki. R.C. Bhargava was the author of the book. Was the author of a book titled Getting Competitive, a Practitioner's Guide for India. The present question will ask, who is the present chairman of Maruti Suzuki? That is R.C. Bhargava. On which day World Chocolate Day or International Chocolate Day is observed every year? That is 7th July. That is 7th July. Clear? 7th July, World Chocolate Day. Farmers Day, Fish Farmers Day, 10th July. World Population Day, 11th July. Fish Farmers Day, 10th July. And 11th July is Population Day. Next. Which payment bank announced that to launch a Bhavishya saving account scheme for minor age between 10 to 18? For minor age between 10 to 18, and payment bank started a scheme. Under this scheme, he opened the account. That scheme is Bhavishya saving account scheme for 10 to 18 years old. Which payment bank? That is what? Which payment bank? That is, yes, Fino. Remember, that is Fino Payment Bank. That is Fino Payment Bank. Where is the headquarters? Fino Payment Bank, Mumbai. Tagline very important. कदार आपकी मेहनत की. कदार आपकी मेहनत की. कदार आपकी मेहनत की is the tagline of Fino Payment Bank. With the present MD CEO Rishi Gupta. Rishi Gupta is the present MD and CEO of Fino Payment Bank. Fino Payment Bank recently launched an Bhavishya saving account scheme for minor age between 10 to 18 years. Kadar aapka mehnat ki is the tagline. Rishi Gupta is the MD and CEO, headquarters at Mumbai. First payment bank is Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank recently merged with Mastercard to launch a debit card. Airtel Payment Bank recently merged with Mastercard company to launch its debit card. Which institute recently developed a disinfection box? Unisavior. Unisavior is the disinfection box that is launched by IIT Roorkee. Unisavior launched by IIT Roorkee. Remember one more question. IIT Madras is the top institute in India. Chest X-ray and IJAC. Chest X-ray and IJAC. Project IJAC launched by IIT Gandhinagar, and that is Advanced Stethoscope launched by IIT Bombay. Clear? Ola announced a strategic partnership with which company to enhance its digital payments experience for its customers? Ola partnered with PhonePe. For digital payment. Ola headquarters is Bangalore. Bhavesh Agrawal is the CEO. Bhavesh Agrawal is the CEO. Ola partner with PhonePe. PhonePe's headquarters is also at Bangalore. Samir Nigam is the CEO. Amir Khan is the brand ambassador. Amir Khan and Alia Bhatt is the brand ambassador of PhonePe. And Bharat-based brand ambassador is Salman Khan. PhonePe is Amir Khan and Alia Bhatt. Who has been named Entrepreneur EY World Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? That is Kiran Majumdar Shah. He is the chairman of is the chairman of Bicon Medicine Company. The chairman of Bicon is the chairman of present chairman of Bicon Medicine Company. Bicon, Bicon Medicine Company. He also receives ICMR a Lifetime Achievement Award. Lifetime Achievement Award. Who received ICMR Lifetime Achievement Award? That is Kiran Majumdar Saab. Very important. Order of the Australia Award recently received by Kiran Majumdar Saab. Order of the Australia. Order of the Australia Award recently received by who? Kiran Majumdar Saab. Uday Kotak, who is the founder of Kotak Mahindra Bank and present president of CII, present president of CII, Confederation of Indian Industry. Here, Indira Nooyi, who is the former chairman of Pepsi. What is the India's rank in Global Real Estate Transparency Index? What is the India's rank in Global Real Estate Transparency Index? That is 34. Who is the top country? Top country is UK. Top country UK. Transparency Index, that is 34. Top country is UK. Sustainable Development Goal Index 117. Top country is Sweden. Remember, Sustainable Development Goal Index. Global Climate Risk Index 9. Top country Sweden. Energy Transition Index 74. Top country Sweden. Gender Gap Index 112. Top country Iceland. Henley Passport Index. Top country Japan. India's rank is 84. Press Freedom Index. India's rank is 142. Top country Norway. Who becomes India's 66th chess grandmaster? Who becomes India's 66th chess master? Who is he? He is G. Akash. Who is the first chess grandmaster? Vishwanath Anand. Vishwanath Anand is the first chess. He is from Tamil Nadu. Vishwanath Anand is from Tamil Nadu. Remember, G. Akash also from Tamil Nadu. G. Akash also from Tamil Nadu. He is the 66th chess master, but first chess grandmaster is Vishwanath Anand. His famous book is Mind Master. Mind Master is the famous book of Vishwanath Anand. He was also first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Who is the first recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? That is Vishwanath Anand. Which country recently launched Digital Haat? That is Haat, where essential goods and service will Haat for online sale and purchase of sacrificial animals ahead of festival Eid ul Adha. For this festival, the country decided to launch Digital Haat for online selling of animals, sacrificial animals. That is Digital Haat. Which country started Digital Haat? That country is Bangladesh. Capital is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister. Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister, and Abdul Hamid is the President of Bangladesh. Clear? Karur Vaisya Bank, Karur Vaisya Bank has signed an agreement with which insurance company to offer life insurance solution to its customer? That insurance company is Bajaj Allianz. Karur Vaisya Bank, and that is a bank insurance, bancassurance. That is a bancassurance partnership. Bancassurance tie-up between Karur Vaisya Bank and Bajaj Allianz. Bancassurance means one bank sold others insurance policy, other insurance companies policy, that is known as bancassurance. Karur Vaisya Bank sold Bajaj Allianz policy. Karur Vaisya Bank headquarters is at Karur, Tamil Nadu. Karur, Tamil Nadu. Who is the present chairman of Karur Vaisya Bank? That is N.S. Srinath. N.S. Srinath is the present chairman of Karur Vaisya Bank. Tagline: Smart way to bank. What is the tagline of Karur Vaisya Bank? That is Smart way to bank. What is the tagline of? Who is the present MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz? Tarun Chugh. Headquarter Pune. Bajaj Allianz headquarter is at Pune. Tarun Chugh is the MD and CEO. Here. Next. Indian Railway in collaboration with BHEL Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, one of the Maharatna company, has set up 1.7 megawatt solar project. 1.7 megawatt. In which city of Madhya Pradesh? Indian Railway collaboration with RHEL to set up 1.7 megawatt solar project. In which city of Madhya Pradesh? That city is Bina. That city is Bina. Remember, Indian Railway recently started waste to energy plant. Indian Railway recently started waste to energy plant. Waste to energy plant at Bhubaneswar. At Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Waste to energy plant, that is at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Clear? Remember one more very important question. Chittaranjan Locomotive Company. Chittaranjan Locomotive Company, that is in West Bengal. That locomotive company recently made record. Right? In 292 working day, in 292 working day, he made 431 engine. 431 engine. In 292 working day, Chittaranjan Locomotive Company made 431 locomotive engine. Clear? Made record. Next. Which state has launched mission Vriksharopan 2020 under which more than 25 crore sapling will be planted? That is the one more plantation program. That program is known as Mission Vriksharopan 2020, started by Uttar Pradesh government, inaugurated by Yogi Adityanath. In which forest? That forest name is Kukarel forest. In Uttar Pradesh Kukarel forest. In Uttar Pradesh Kukarel forest, Yogi Adityanath launched Mission Vriksharopana scheme. Under this scheme, 25 crore saplings will be planted. Clear? Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath. Clear? Also remember, Odisha government recently started one scheme, that is Sabuja for plantation. Sabuja and Pyar Ka Podha campaign by Bihar. Pyar Ka Podha campaign by Bihar. Remember one more. पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ. पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ. पर्यावरण बचाओ by Delhi. Delhi government started. Clear? Yeah. Thank mom. Very important. Thank mom. Yes, that is Madhya Pradesh. Thank mom Madhya Pradesh. पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ दिल्ली. प्यार का पौधा, that is campaign Bihar. Sabuja, Odisha government. International Forest Day, 21st March. International Forest Day, that is 21st March is the International Forest Day. Clear? Which state government has launched e-learning portal LEAD, that is Delhi. LEAD campaign started by Delhi. LEAD's performance is learning through e-resources made accessible for Delhi. Learning through e-resources made accessible for Delhi. Learning through e-resources made accessible for Delhi. Operation, he also started the Operation Shield, that 5D program, and one more, that is पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ. पौधे लगाओ पर्यावरण बचाओ. Next. After Mizoram, which state government has decided to ban commercial import and the sale of dog and dog meat? Which state recently banned to sell the dog meat? That state is Nagaland. Here, Nagaland recently banned after Mizoram. Nephew Rio is the chief minister. RN Ravi governor. RN Ravi, very important. RN Ravi is the governor. With the same Nephew Rio is the CM of Nagaland. Very most important question, that is Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival related to which state? That is Nagaland. Hornbill Festival related to Nagaland. Next. National Payment Corporation of India (NPCI) will build its smart data center in which city at an investment 500 crore? That city is Hyderabad. In which city NPCI build smart data center? That city is Hyderabad. Clear? Last question. Next question. 10,000 bedded means 10,000 bed, 10,000 bedded. Sardar Patel COVID Care Center and Hospital, which is world's largest COVID care facility, was inaugurated in which city? In that hospital, what is that hospital name? That is hospital name is Sardar Patel Hospital. In that hospital, how many beds are present? That is 10,000 bed. 10,000 bedded Sardar Patel COVID Care Hospital, which is world's largest COVID hospital, inaugurated in which city? That city is Delhi. Inaugurated by Anil Bazal, who is the present Lieutenant Governor of New Delhi. Next, which country recently spotted pink ice? That country is Italy. Capital is Rome. Italy capital is Rome. Currency is Euro. In which glacier? That glacier is Teresina Glacier. Teresina Glacier. In Teresina Glacier, Italy government spotted pink ice. Why that ice becomes pink? Because there is a presence of algae. That algae name is Ancyclonema nordenskiolidi. That algae present of algae. That algae name is Ancyclonema nordenskiolidi. LDIA. Nordenskiolidi. Ancyclonema nordenskiolidi. Because of this algae, that ice becomes pink. Next, which country is the Daimor Bhasa Dam being built? That country is Pakistan. In Pakistan, Daimor Bhasa Dam being built in partnership with China. That country is Pakistan. Daimor Bhasa. Capital is Islamabad. Clear? Prime Minister Imran Khan. Governor Arif Alvi. Present President is Arif Alvi. Prime Minister is Imran Khan. First female Lieutenant General is Nigar Johar. First female, very important question. Who is the Pakistan's first female Lieutenant General? Who is she? She is Nigar Johar. India's first female Lieutenant General, that is Punit Arora. First female Lieutenant General. Clear? Next, how many apps have been banned from keeping Indian soldiers in their mobiles? That is 89 applications, 30 more. But India government banned 59 applications. Who is the head of army? Manoj Mukund Narbani is the present head of army. Army day is 15 January. January 15 is the army day. Which Indian company has finalized a site near Chennai in Tamil Nadu to set up 600 crore greenfield plant? That is PCBL. Which company finalized a site near Chennai in Tamil Nadu to set up 600 crore greenfield plant? What is greenfield plant? That is that plant totally new, means new plant will set up. That company is PCBL. PCBL means Philips, that company, Philips Carbon Black Limited, PCBL company. Clear? Next, World Health Organization, United States will formally withdraw from the World Health Organization on which date? That date is 6 July 2021. World Health Organization formation year is 7th April 1948. So we celebrate 7 April is Health Day. Is the DG, present DG is Tedros Adhanom. He is from Ethiopia. Ethiopia capital is Addis Ababa. Present President of Ethiopia Abiy Ahmed Ali is the present President of Ethiopia. Clear? World Health Organization recently decided 2020 is the year of nurses and midwives. Clear? World No Tobacco Day Award gives to Seeds NGO. Recently, World Health Organization gives one award, that is World No Tobacco Day Award. No Tobacco Day Award that goes to Seeds NGO. Seeds is the one NGO company of India. Which countries have become the first two countries in the World Health Organization Southeast Asia region to eliminate both measles and rubella? To eliminate measles and rubella ahead of 2023 target. Target 2023, but we eliminated now that measles and rubella disease. Which is these two countries? These two countries are Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka two capital, one is Colombo and Jayawardena Purakota, and Maldives Malé. With the present president of Maldives is Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. Present president of Maldives is Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. With the president of Maldives. Luxury ride Airport its brand ambassador to whom? That is Sukhbir Singh. Luxury ride. JSW Cement, Saurabh Ganguly and Sunil Chhatri. Boat, very important. Boat, that is musical device. Boat, Shreya Sayar. Brunei and Braskin, that is Harbhajan Singh, Brunei and Braskin. Next question. Which among the following has signed an MOU with the Central Board of Directors (CBDT) to facilitate the sharing of data? Which among the following has signed an MOU? MOU means Memorandum of Understanding with CBDT. That organization is SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. Headquarters is at Mumbai. Ajay Tyagi is the chairman. With the chairman, Ajay Tyagi is the chairman. Who is the present chairman of CBDT? PC Modi. PC Modi is the present chairman of CBDT. Remember one more. Now, apart from this chairman, there is 6 members also present. Apart from this chairman, there is 6 members also present in CBDT. Clear? With the present chairman of CBIT, Central Board of Indirect Tax, M. Ajit Kumar. M. Ajit Kumar is the present chairman of CBDT, PC Modi. Which bank has granted 50 million loan to L&T infrastructure project for renewable energy? That bank is Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB. Headquarters is Beijing. Chairman Jean Liquin. World Bank headquarters Washington DC. Chairman is David Malpass. Answer is AIIB, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Clear? NDB headquarters Shanghai. Head is Marcos Troyojo. Asian Development Bank Manila. Head is Masatsugu Asakawa is the head of Asian Development Bank. Last question. Instagram will launch which short video feature similar to TikTok format, that is Insta Reels. Similar as TikTok. That is similar as TikToks. That application name is Insta Reels facility. With the founder of Insta, that is Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger is the founder of Insta. Clear? This was the video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.